Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to give you quick tips for digestion. These days people are asking for quick tips because they are saying our life is so quick, we don't have much time. So quickly you say something. So that's why I have decided, like in this video I will give you certain quick tips for digestion. So first tip is those people who don't have hypertension, that is high blood pressure, and they are eating normal food but just they are avoiding salt. So I request these people to please start using salt, not excess of salt, but start using salt. That is Himalayan salt is the best salt that you can use. That is also known as Sandhav Lavana. It is very beneficial for health. Regarding this, if you want to know more benefits of Himalayan salt, there is a video link below and you can click on that link and you can see the detailed benefits of Himalayan salts. So first thing is you can start using this Himalayan salt. It is very beneficial for your health. But yes, please don't overuse this salt. And also those people who have hypertension, they should avoid using salt as the protocol is. If you are drinking cold water, avoid using cold water because cold water lowers down your digestive fire and that results in bad digestion. So if you are drinking water, prefer to use lukewarm water or warm water during the day. That will help to make your digestion better. Third tip is, which is a very common tip but we are just forgetting it, that is always eat your food in calm. While eating food, don't talk, because if you will talk while eating food, it will lower down your digestive fire by enhancing vata. Fourth tip is always chew your food properly before you take it. That means you should have enough time to have your meals properly. Don't eat your meals so quickly and just running. Always make sure whenever you are eating food, you chew it properly and eat slowly. If you are taking water after finishing food, please try to avoid water after finishing food, because after finishing food, if you put water in the stomach or in your mouth, it will lower down your digestive fire and your digestion will become bad. So it is very important, if you are drinking water, either you drink water 40 minutes before. If you forgot for some reason, you can take few sips of water in the beginning, but it should be warm water, it should not be cold water. And even if you forget to take water in the beginning of meals, you can take in between meals. That should be warm water, that should not be cold water. But after finishing meals, it is not good to have water. And even if you forgot during the meals also, you have to drink water after meals. There is no other option. Please try to have warm water, but try to make it not as a habit. Try to have your water 40 minutes before you start your food or after 40 minutes once you finish your food. Whenever you are having food, please make sure you don't have your food in standing posture. Sit in a proper posture in a calm place and then only have your food. In Indian scriptures, it's been described. It is very important that you have your food in Padmasana, that is cross-legged posture. That will help to make your digestive system better and your digestion better. So if possibility is there, cross your legs on the chairs, and if you are wearing something comfortable that is not stretching your stomach, it is best that you sit with the cross-legged posture. And if it is not possible, if you are sitting on the chair, but make sure that chair should be comfortable and try to sit comfortably, not imbalanced, so that you will focus on food, not on your posture. In addition to that, add enough fruits to your food. You can have fruits before food and then you eat anything cooked. It is very beneficial to make your health better. Next tip is, it is very important, whenever you have cooked food, whenever you are cooking food, try to consume this cooked food within 3 hours of cooking, so that it doesn't lose its nutritious value. Because if food is more nutritious, it's easy to digest and it is more energy gaining. So these are the quick tips. I hope you will like these tips and you can do quickly, and you can adopt these tips quickly in your day-to-day life and make your health better and make your digestion better. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a subscription button. You can click this subscription button and bell icon, and you can stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us, and we will be extremely grateful to you. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please feel free to write these questions. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. But the most important thing is you try to adopt these quick tips in your quick life so that your quick life will become more happy and more healthy. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.